Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing well. My name is Azmat Ali and currently I am working as a lecturer in mathematics at Government Shalimar Graduate College, Lahore, Pakistan. I welcome you all in a new playlist of real analysis. This playlist based on the book Introduction to Real Analysis by R.G. Bartle. Although a separate playlist is available on this channel, but that playlist based on the lectures of Principles of Mathematical Analysis by Walter Newton. But in this playlist, we specifically focus on the book of R.G. Bartle. So, inshallah, we will discuss every single topic available in this book as well as problems available in exercise. In the next lecture, inshallah, we will discuss from chapter number 1, preliminaries. I hope you will enjoy from this lecture. So, see you in the next lecture. Take care. Allah Hafiz.